How you navigate through life and how you feel largely depends on your thoughts. Your thoughts are immensely powerful. They determine how you feel, your decisions, and your actions, every part of your life that you can control. Your thoughts are one of the most powerful tools you will ever have in changing your life. Let me explain why. The cognitive behavioral therapy model is one of the most important models in psychology. This model states that events leads to thoughts, thoughts leads to feelings, feelings leads to behavior, and behavior always has a consequence. It is not the events themselves that determine how you feel and behave. It is your thoughts about these events that trigger the sequence of feelings, behaviors, and consequences. As with every model, this model is a simplification of a complex and dynamic reality. However, it is very useful in understanding how the mind works. Let's say you are lying in your bed. You are about to sleep. You hear a loud bang. This is an event. If you then think to yourself, oh, it is a burglar, you probably feel scared. Your personality and past experiences and something that you have heard about a burglar will determine your actions now. But let's say you freeze. You feel really scared and you are trying to hide under your blankets. A likely consequence of this is that it will take you a long time to fall asleep and you will feel tired the next day. Now, consider the same scenario. Now you are lying in the bed and you hear a loud bang. Then you think to yourself, it's just the neighbor's cat. There is nothing to worry. This could lead to several different feelings, but let's say you feel relieved. The behavior that follows will depend on your personality and past experiences with that neighbor's cat. But let's say you decide to stay in bed and go to sleep. The consequence would be that you have a good night's sleep and feel rested the next day. So, with this one scenario, you can have two completely different outcomes. The outcome does not depend on the event, but on the thoughts about that event. In the first scenario, the unsafe brain is activated because our mind perceives a threat when thinking the sound is made by a burglar. This perceived threat activates the stress response, and in this situation, the triggered emotion is fear. In the second scenario, the exact same event has a very different outcome. The thought about the event is a non-threatening, non-judgmental one. Therefore, it activates the safe brain. This leads to feeling relieved, relaxed, and having a good night's sleep. There will always be events and circumstances in our life that we cannot control. But if you learn to control our thoughts, your mood and behavior no longer depend on circumstances, but on you. When you regain control over your thoughts, you regain control over your feelings and actions. Your thoughts shape your reality more than anything else. Therefore, not having control over your thoughts equals not having control over your life.